Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So today I'm super excited because I've never tried this brand before, and this is the first time that I'm going to try this brand, and I got it in the mail recently, and it's by Curst Kosmetics, and this is their Christmas palette, which I love the cover. They're more of a horror themed makeup. I believe this came out last year, but I just thought it was so freaking beautiful. Now I just noticed that it does have two pressed glitters, which is the red one and the yellow one. I'm not a fan of pressed glitters, but if you like pressed glitters, then there you go. This silver right here, I swatched it when I was doing the swatching. Oh my god, it's so gorgeous. It is so metallic. I definitely have to use that color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my eyes first, and I'm going to conceal a little bit with the Super Stay from Maybelline. And while I do this, I'll show you some swatches. So I think I want to start with that blue right here. It's very pretty. I'm going to place it right here in the inner portion. And I'm just going to put this very lightly. So let me know if you've tried this brand before. Do you like it? Is it good? And if so, what's your favorite product from them? Or what's your favorite palette? They have a couple of palettes actually, and lip products that I want to try. I think I want to try that green now. So I think I'm going to deepen the outer corner with the brown. Let me do that. So I'm still trying to get used to this space that I have here. This tiny little space where I can record videos, and I'm still trying to figure out the lighting and everything to see which angle is better, which lighting is better. So forgive me if it looks odd. Let me know in the comments down below. That brown wasn't deep enough, so I'm using the black in the palette to deepen that brown. And FYI, that black color creates a lot of fallout, as you can see. So start with your eyes first if you're going to use that black. I'm going to clean this up and I'll be right back. Now for the fun part. I'm dying to try out that silver. I already added glitter primer by NYX, so I'm ready to go in. Look at that metallic silver. Oh, I'm in love. So I'm gonna finish my face off camera, and I'll be right back to do the lower lash line. Right, I'm gonna use the green at the lower lash line, the same green, the only green. And I'm gonna deepen the outer corner. I'm gonna deepen it a little bit right here and connect it just halfway. And I'm using another black because I don't want any fallout. I'm gonna add some black eyeliner in the waterline. This one's by Bettina. I'm gonna add some falsies and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. This is the final look. What do you think? That green, the green one up here, the brown and the blue work great. They're awesome. And that green, I love that green. It's very beautiful, as you can see. This metallic silver is my absolute favorite. Out of all the ones that I have, this is my favorite for sure. But that black, that middle shade, which I don't know what finish it is because it's not matte and it's not satin. It's weird. It's not my favorite. I had to struggle to build it up, and all I was getting was a lot of fallout and very little pigment. So I don't like this black at all. But overall, the palette is pretty good in terms of the mattes and this shimmer right here, which is more like a liquid metal. This is really good. I like this one. This was my favorite. So overall, it's not a bad palette. I have to use the rest of the colors to see if I like these up here, which I think I won't have a problem with. But it is a gorgeous palette. I just don't like the black that it brings, you know. I do have a discount code with them in case you're wondering about the brand or any other palettes they have. I will link that below in the description box in case you're interested. But yeah, so as long as I love the look that I created, which I do, it turned out very pretty, then I'm satisfied with it. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.